Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we're going to find the sum of arithmetic series. Okay, so let's look at this first problem. It says find the sum of odd integers from 3 to 101. So if we want to visualize this, this would be like 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus, dot, 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 plus 101. Let me do that last one a little bit better. All right, so we got to figure out how many terms we have here, because our general formula we're going to use is the sum of n terms equals the number of terms divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term. Okay, so we know the first term, that's 3. We know the last term, that's 101. So we've got these two covered. We just need to figure out the number of terms. So if I think about this, we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Those are the first 5 terms. And then I would have 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and so on, all the way until I got up to 101. So we'd have 5 here times 10, because basically from 3 to 11 is 5 terms, and there's 10 of those on the way up to 101. So we have 50 terms, right? So our sum of these 50 terms is going to equal 50 divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term, 101. So that's going to be 50 divided by 2 is 25 times 104 and if I do that out on a calculator here, let me just get my calculator. 25 times 104 is going to be 2,600. So that's my solution to problem 1. Let's try a couple more of these just to make sure we get the hang of it. Okay, second one reads, find the sum of the following arithmetic sequence. And we have negative 20, negative 18, negative 16, all the way up to 2, 4, 6. Okay, so now there is a faster way to do this, but you want to think about this. Let's see, if we keep going, negative 14, negative 12. So we got 5 here, and then from negative 10 to negative 2 is another 5. So that's 10. And then we got 0, 2, 4, and 6. So we got 14 terms. So n is going to equal 14. Okay, and the first term is negative 20. The last term is positive 6. So we're going to say the sum of these 14 terms equals 14 divided by 2 times the first term, negative 20, plus the last term, 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So it's 7, negative 20 plus 6, negative 14. So 7 times negative 14, and that's going to equal, let's do this on the calculator. So 7 times negative 14, negative 98. So the sum of the 14 terms is equal to negative 98. All right, let's try one more. All right, find the sum of the following arithmetic sequence. We start at 3, that's our first term. We go to negative 33, that's our last term. And we got to know the number of terms, n. So let's figure that out. So we go 3, 0, and then we go -3, -6, -9, -12. And there is a better way to do this, but I'm going to show you that in a coming video. -15, -18. This is a little inefficient. -21, -24, -27, -30, and -33. Okay, so we've got 5 here, 6 here, that's 11. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 2 more terms, so 13. All right, so my sum of my 13 terms is going to equal 13 divided by 2 times 3 plus -33. Okay, so it's going to equal 13 divided by 2 times -30. And we can do some simplifying here. What I could do, change colors there, so I could, 2 goes into -30 15 times, so I can cross this off, write a 1, cross this off, write 15. So essentially we've got 13 times 15 as our solution, so that's going to equal, or -15 rather, 13 times -15, so 13 times -15, that's going to be -195. For our solution for that last one. So there you go. The sum of the 13 terms here equals -195. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe.